What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, well, you guys see the Ram back here. I want to try two things. First, I'm going to explain to you two things and try one thing. So first thing I want to talk about is this tonneau cover that you guys keep asking me about, and I told you I will make a video. The time has come. I gotta make a video for you guys. So before look at that, jeez Louise. So before I tell you guys what's going on, why I got it, and the pros and the cons on this cover. So you guys know the dilemma with Back Industries. I am not a fan of that company. Reason being quality, and I'm not gonna say customer service. I mean, they do answer the phone, but they're, I don't know. If anybody has dealt with them, you will see from there. Just my whole thing is, I'm not a fan of their covers. Their quality, as you guys know, is not that good. Even like you guys know, Alkylator's covers, Martin, his fell apart, Lewis's fell apart. Multiple people I know, their covers have fallen apart. Now, with that being said, you ready for this? Here's the kicker. That cover over there is a Back Industries cover. I know, you're like, whoa, wait a minute. What the hell are you talking about? This is all not making sense. Well, here you go. So, and I'm gonna explain to you why it makes sense, kind of, sort of. It might not make sense to you, but this is a Back Industry cover. This is the Revolver. As you guys know, I've ran these on all my trucks. This is one of my favorite covers. Now, I'm gonna tell you the pros and the cons about it. So, the pro about this cover, why I like the cover. Well, number one, look how sleek it is. Look how low profile it is. It looks very clean, very simple. A lot of the other, which you guys told me a lot of great covers. A bunch of the Roll and Lock. There's one, I think it was Pace Edwards Electric. It was amazing. I was looking at all of those, all the ones you guys sent me. The problem that I am having is the box would like stick out to here on those things, and then it would be like sticking up this far. Then all of a sudden it would be like flush right here, and you got a box back there, which you lose the bed. Now, am I going to use, this bed? Am I going to put the gas tank? I might not even put a gas tank in here, but if I do decide to put something back here, I just want the whole availability, basically, of the truck. And what's nice about this cover, and for some reason I can't believe it, is this company is the only company that makes a Revolver cover where it rolls up and does not take any of the bed. And like I said, I like how sleek it is. I like how flat, how clean, how simple it looks. But now we're gonna get to the cons. There's a lot of cons, as you guys know. Reliability is not one. These covers are not reliable, especially in the sun. So as you guys know, on the Duramax, the person that bought it, he lives in El Centro. Well, it's a little hotter here, or here. It's a little hotter there than it is here. Here, I mean, right now I'm outside. It's probably 88, maybe 90, maybe. It's not too bad. Over there, it's probably still 110 degrees. And he actually, when he got my truck about a week later, he ended up calling me. He said, "Hey Eddie, do you have the receipt for this cover?" I said, "No, I do not have a receipt for it. They gave me the cover, to try out." Yeah, I said, well, "What's going on with it? Why do you need a receipt?" He said, "Well, this thing just cannot withstand the heat. The vinyl is coming apart on it." So as you guys know, there's two, the X2 and the X4. This is the X4. The reason I got the X4 because it matches all of this. The X2, as you guys know, was like that shiny leather. So that started peeling off up here. Also, he said the bottom part right here, he said was just hanging down. All of it was just coming apart. He goes, it pretty much looked like this cover is like melting, just falling apart. So durability on these things, reliability, I'm gonna have to give that a con. Also, here's another con. Look at the way that these things open. Now, see, that wasn't too bad. And I have been messing with this thing for days. I mean, this thing is literally lined up perfect to the T. You can take a micrometer and check every edge. Everything is lined up perfect to the T. But now in closing it, they say you go right in the middle. Well, you can't clearly do that. So you got to go one by one. But, I mean, look at this. That's not very, a clean way to, look at this one. Hold on. See, you got it pretty pushed down pretty hard. Now, is that broken? Is that normal? No. That's the problem with these covers. Is I've installed some of these where literally you can pop this up, See, I mean, usually with one hand, they both pop up. But see, they're still grabbing on both sides for some reason. But usually you can literally one hand and push this thing down. But for some reason, I don't know why, it's just not wanting to go. And there's no, I mean, it's a simple process. You hook those things up, you know, put them in there. You got someone holding it. You don't even have to hold it. Just push down on it. Those things will grab. They're not tight, you know. I didn't put them on with the impact. So, I mean, I don't know. They're just not, it's not a cover that if I was looking for something that I didn't want to mess with ever. So I wanted to put one cover on this thing and that's it. I would not recommend Back Industries covers. They are just not quality covers. Are they sleek? Are they flat? You know, do they look clean? Yes. By far, I have seen a lot of covers and they are the cleanest covers. Also, even when you close it. So when I close this up, as you guys see here, see right here where it hits right there, and then when I push it, see it goes up right there. Now look at this side right here. Look at right. You can see it there. You go. Look at right there. See how it's nothing? Now this tells me this cannot be with anything installation wise, because I mean you can't put this on wrong. It's so easy. It's just this. Looks like the cover is just not perfectly flat. Now, I mean, is that a big deal to some people? No, it doesn't bother me. My main concern is keeping what's back here dry and safe. Some people might get bothered by this little, right there, see that? How it's not flush compared to this side, how it's just nice and tight. I mean, you can't even push on it. So, I mean, I don't know, guys. It is a, you know, a revolver cover. It is by Back Industries. Do I like it? Yeah. It's okay. Does it do the job? I mean, it does. Would I recommend it to people? No. I would let people know, say, hey, listen, are you looking for something, you know, hard, reliable? You know, do you want a flat? Do you want a sleek look? It all depends on what you guys want. So, I guess, you know, you guys let me know. Let me know, you guys that do have this cover, if it's been reliable for you, if you love it, or if you had nothing but issues with it. And let me know, you know, on the other people. Some people, they're like, oh no, I want a hard cover, you know, it's got to be durable. Then that's not going to work for you. So, you know, it is what it is, guys. But that's the cover that's on the old Ram over here. Now, for number 2 of this video, I'm going to get ready to wash this. You guys know yesterday I drove this thing in the rain. And so you guys see all this stuff right over here? Yeah, you can see that. So supposedly, because this thing is ceramic coated, this is what I've heard. I do not know if it's true. I am not in the ceramic coat industry, so I do not know much about this. But supposedly, I shouldn't even have to scrub this. So when I hit it with the pressure washer, it should come right off because it is just sitting on the surface, pretty much on the ceramic. It is not actually onto the paint. So whatever is on that ceramic, it should just come right off and make my life way easier to clean. That's what I want to show you guys. So we're going to get everything set up. Go plug in our PureTech system. Again, shout out to PureTech for the spot-free water. And see how this thing works. Also, you guys are asking me about my clear bra. How is it? I'm going to hold off on that for now on this subject. We might be changing it. We might be doing something completely different to this thing. So I'm not going to explain anything on the clear bra just yet, because we got some things coming up, some changes going on. So we'll hold off on that. I will update you guys, as you guys know, right away on what we're doing to the Ram when I find out exactly what's going on. But as of right now, we might have some big things coming for you guys, and it might you guys might like it. You know, I'm not sure. I can't give you too much info yet, but just wait and see, and I'll explain to you guys the whole shebang on the clear bra and all that stuff. Okay, guys, we got the pressure washer hooked up here. We got the spot-free system over there. Thank you, PureTech, again. So we don't have to deal with drying and none of that stuff. So we're gonna hook it up and see if, you know, all this stuff. Now this is clear bra, so this is not ceramic coated. It is coated, but not with ceramic. This, well, the hood doesn't look that dirty, but let's see. You guys saw the back and right here. There you go, so you can see it right there. So let's see, well, how good, I guess, this stuff really works, and if it just comes right off. All right, turn the choke on, do a little cold start for you guys. Look at that. Woo. Now I always point the nozzle away from the truck, just in case it decides to come off. It will shoot out towards the driveway and not smack the truck. like it took it off. It's hard to tell here because I can barely show you on camera. Let's head to the back where we know, you know, it's pretty much the dirtiest spot. Okay, we're gonna try this side right here, so we know no scrubbing, nothing, just use water. I'm gonna just do half the tailgate. We'll go from there and see. Damn. Okay. I gotta say, guys, I'm pretty freaking impressed. Look at that. So here is the dirty side, and here's the side with just water. Okay. Well, let's see. I'm gonna do the whole truck for you guys now, and then we're gonna pull it in the garage, get her in there, close it up, let it dry, and see what this thing actually looks like when it dries up. Because sometimes, you know, it looks clean right now, but when it dries, you can still see it. So I'm gonna do the whole truck real quick, and then, well, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so the truck's been in here now for about 30 minutes. It looks like it cleaned up pretty dang good. I will admit that. I have not seen anything yet. I mean, so far, I gotta say, so far so good. Didn't scrub it, did not put any towel on it. Okay, so there is a little bit, you guys can see that right there. So, I mean, for not actually, you know, putting any soap, any towel, anything on this, I must say, it did a pretty dang good job. Now, here's the worst part, the back. So, alright, so the back still has, you can still, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's still a little bit on there. I do know it's incredible, and I do know, as you guys knew, when the dent guy was trying to get the dent out, nothing was sticking. You know, he was having a hard time to get anything to stick to the paint. So it does work, and you know, if you guys want to do it, I would get it done. So far, my truck's smooth. I'm loving it. And for the tonneau cover, you know, I'll keep you guys updated, see how long it lasts. Actually, let's see how much water got in this thing. So I have not, I did pressure wash like right here, the seal. All right, so we got a couple spots there. I gotta admit, guys, that's pretty dang dry. So there's a little, I don't know if you guys see a little hole right there. Well, the water would have to come in, like if I was driving, maybe you get some water in there. Other than that, everything stayed pretty dry. So, I mean, I don't know. It's your decision, guys, on this cover. Me personally, would I recommend the cover? That depends on the person. If you tell me you want sleek, simple, and you want to have full access to the bed, yes. If you want something, you know, durable, it's gonna last you a long time, no. So that's up to you guys. I'll leave it at that. Let you guys make that decision. So there you have it, guys. That's all I got for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think on the cover and the ceramic coating. And did you eat all your chicken? Yeah. Where? Let me see. Where's all that? Is that chicken gone? I didn't say I want to see the muscles. I want to see all the chicken gone. All right, that chicken's gone. Let me see the muscles. Come on. Let me see them. Oh man, those are pretty big, pal. There you have it, guys. Make sure you eat all your chicken also, so you can have big muscles. But that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace. Yeah.